Hey guys, this is Evon here of Evon Designs. As always, if you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome for the first time. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a pretty exciting project that I've been waiting to share with you guys for at least a month plus now. And that is my home office / creative space makeover. So those of you who follow me on IG may recall part of the reason why we started this project, and that's because, like everybody else in the world these days, I needed my own space to do work while I'm working from home full time. And for me, it's not just for that, but it's also for some other projects I like to do, which include sewing and other DIY crafts that just require a lot of space for me to kind of sprawl out, but you know, that also is an environment that makes me want to stay there and that's comfortable and that's inspiring and motivating. And so I was looking forward to getting this project started and completed so I could just use it to its full capacity. As far as the theme for this room, you guys might be able to see behind me some of what I was able to put together. But I was really going for this boho-chic kind of vibe. And when I say that, I wanted to keep it true with those this kind of airy and light basis when it comes to that boho idea, by including a lot of whites, a lot of grays, beiges, some tans in there. But I'm a girl who loves color, and so I really wanted that to be paralleled with these pops of color that you can see throughout the room, that just really makes it a place that just comes alive. And for me, that is like the epitome of like inspiring and like homey and like just relaxing for me. So I think I was really able to achieve that look and that theme in this room. Alright guys, so I won't belabor this video any longer, but I do have one more request, and that's to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as that bell notification to get real-time updates of when new project videos come out and hit this channel. Enough of that, let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, this room is full of natural light as well as some storage items. We also had a guest bed in here, but I tried to flip it around in many different areas to see if it could stay and still be functional space for me, but I wasn't having any luck. So you'll see later in this video, I ended up removing it. Hey Leo. Hey. Uh-oh. This whole area will serve as my new office area. And then we have the closet, and leads to the outside room. Okay, that's it. We'll be back. hope you guys enjoyed that video. As I mentioned earlier, I did get a lot of these items brand new. Some of them I already owned, but I'll be sure to list all those items with links to them down in the description box so you guys can access them if you so choose. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more project videos to come. There are definitely more projects that we have going on in our house that are current right now. So there will be some stuff coming out soon. Thanks again and see you guys soon.